Aloha, Brett Christensen here with Maui Property. We're about to look at this unit right here, Unit 102A at Kihei Garden Estates. Just came on the market. It is a little bit of a fixer-upper, nothing terrible, just needs updating, but it is priced accordingly. They already have 2 over asking price offers and it's day 1. So convenient location, you got a pool, hot tub right behind me right here. And ocean is right through here. That building across the street is right on the ocean. So you're a short walk from the beach. And let's take a look at this unit. Here we are at Kihei Garden Estates. You get the pool, hot tub over there. And this is unit 102A. Just came on the market. Got an in-the-wall AC unit.
First time around. Oh, sweeter. Time here and now. Oh, sweeter. First time around. Oh, sweeter. Time here and now.
Got a closet in
I
here.
played the dice right. Let the good
There's
times
no
roll.
laundry in this unit. Apparently other owners in the complex have added that to the unit.
Ever, it's our show.
It's
I
tile.
don't know how and don't know why, but I've been toasting all my life.
Got an owner's closet there.